Have you ever been caught off guard by a sudden, uncontrollable hiccup at the worst possible moment? Hiccups are actually an involuntary reflex arc triggered by irritation of the vagus or phrenic nerve, two nerves that run from your brain all the way down to your diaphragm. When irritated by eating too fast, carbonated drinks, or even stress, these nerves send a false alarm to your brainstem. Your brainstem fires back, causing your diaphragm to spasm suddenly and suck in a burst of air. At the same moment, your glottis snaps shut, cutting off the airflow and creating the iconic hic sound. Subscribe for daily medical facts.